Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll drive the next segment of Louisiana Highway 18. We begin as we enter the incorporated city of Westwego, which had an estimated population of 8,428 as of 2018. One story states generally that Westwego was so named because it was a major crossing point on the Mississippi River during the Great Westward Movement of the late 19th century. When travelers were asked their destination, they would often reply, "West we go." Another more specific tale recounted in John Churchill Chase's Frenchmen Desiring Good Children is that the name was the specific outcome of an 1871 meeting of a railroad board of directors in New York, where planning was undertaken to use the site as an eastern terminus. West we go from there. There has been further speculation that this use of Westwego as a place name may have been influenced by the board members' familiarity with the name of Oswego, New York. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. At Louisiana Street, LA-18 turns right and a spur of LA-18 on the left runs to the West Bank Expressway. Here at River Road, LA-18 briefly runs concurrent with LA-541 as well as the Great River Road. LA-18 once again separates from the River Road and takes a direct route to US Highway 90 and the Huey P. Long Bridge. We're now in a census-designated place known as Bridge City. It was established in the 1930s during the construction of the Huey P. Long Bridge over the Mississippi River. Bridge City is host to Louisiana's annual Gumbo Festival. In 2010, Bridge City had a population of 7,706. This area from LA-18 to the river is known as 9 Mile Point. On December 23, 1977, the Continental Grain Elevator in 9 Mile Point exploded. The explosion and collapse of the elevator resulted in the loss of 36 people and injured at least 11 others. Most of the casualties were caused by a concrete tower collapsing onto an office building where workers were gathered for a Christmas party. The explosion is believed to have been caused by the ignition of grain dust. The blast caused silos to fall and lean against each other in a domino effect. The accident is the deadliest grain elevator accident in history. The Westwego accident, along with other explosions that occurred within the 2-year period, led to new regulations for preventing dust explosions. Here, LA-18 meets and joins up with US 90 West. On the right is the Huey P. Long Bridge. The railroad portion of the bridge runs along the center of US 90 for nearly a mile. We leave the concurrency with US 90 and head towards Avondale and the Great River Road again. We conclude today's video at the western terminus of LA-541 as we enter the unincorporated community of Avondale. Here, LA-18 rejoins the Great River Road all the way to the end of the highway. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.